Uh, you all know that I was on a vacation this month earlier, and I'd taken some momentous decisions that I don't want to reach out too much now, that I don't want to talk to too many people. Earlier, what happens at the beginning of your life, somewhere in 11th standard, 12th standard, you write a letter to the editor of an newspaper, in your local newspaper. I wrote to Indian Express. I don't even know what topic I was talking about. Maybe it was something to do with Indira Gandhi's election, because it must have been 1979. 1979, yeah, emergency. So not Indira Gandhi's election, but emergency. So I used to write about some small piece on democracy, and it used to appear it had appeared in the letters to the editor, and I was very happy. So I was happy to see my name in print. The same thing happens afterwards. You start appearing on some television shows, etc. And for you, it's a great social achievement that you're 25 years of age or you're 32 years of age and you have appeared on TV, and it sounds good. Slowly it becomes addicting. So 2003, 2004 must have been the first time I appeared on television. So that's what, almost close to 20 years, 17, 18 years of appearing on television. All this has happened. And I also realized that a lot of requests come for free lectures from companies which are doing very well. They have a lot of money. But they suddenly don't want to find money for paying me, so they come and tell me, wow, you are such a great speaker, blah blah blah, but it does not translate into money. So similarly for writing, so I write very little these days. My own blog is suffering. I am not writing enough, and I hope to correct it. My videos are doing well, thank you very much. 4,000-5,000 people, 6,000 people watch every video. I have very close to 30,000 people following me, maybe 26,000-27,000 people following me. Then there is Twitter, then there is Facebook, etc., etc. So I have more or less decided that I will now not be doing any events just for the sake of doing an event. I don't want to keep on lowering down the audience to which I'm talking. I have my own audience today of say 25,000-28,000 people, which to me is good enough. I don't need to, I'm not raising AUM. People who come on television or social media mostly try to raise AUM. They want to manage more money, so they're managing 2,000 crores, 3,000 crores, 6,000 crores, 10,000 crores. And obviously the fee is based on the AUM that they have. So it is important for them to increase their AUM, whether they are PMS managers working in India, working abroad, or whether they are collecting AUM for their mutual fund business. I have no such agenda. I have no agenda of even selling my books. My publisher, I have no clue what my publisher is doing. I hear my publisher is going out of business in printing. So which means these books, whether it sells, doesn't sell, I will not get paid anymore. I have already been paid. So if you buy these books, good, great for you, but it has no impact at all for me. So having given you the background of where I am starting from, chances are you will see my byline less and less. There perhaps one or two places where I will continue to write. I am not too keen to talk to too many people or address them with issues like what they should do with their money, etc. Of course, some odd television program I will do, because I've still not been able to find a way of saying I don't wish to do. So some of that I will do, but largely you should treat this as a swan song of my life. You will see me only on my channel, you will read me only on my blog, you will watch me only on my YouTube channel, you will read about me on, you will read what I have to write on Twitter, and that's about all. So I'm largely shrinking. The need to be bigger, brighter, faster, be visible, etc. is going down. I don't need to do it. I'm getting into the withdrawal phase. Right, so long I have been on my journey to land on the moon. It's time for me to come back from moon to earth. So on my journey from earth to moon, a lot of people encouraged me and provided for rockets and fuel, etc. So, but I have reached the destination, and after having reached the destination, I have to now come back, and for coming back from moon to earth, I guess I have to chart my own course. So you will see less of me outside, you will see more of me inside my channels. Thank you.